In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use templates in Monday.com to quickly create powerful, organized boards without starting from scratch. Templates are one of the biggest time-saving features inside Monday.com, and once you know how to use them properly, you can launch projects, manage clients, run marketing campaigns, or organize your team in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is create a new board. From your Monday.com workspace, look at the top left corner and click on the plus icon that says Add. From the drop-down menu, choose New Board. Instead of selecting a blank board, you're going to choose Start with a Template. This is where the magic happens. Once you click Start with a Template, the template library will open. Monday.com has a huge collection of pre-built templates designed for different teams and workflows. You'll see categories such as project management, CRM and sales, HR and recruitment, marketing, operations, and IT and engineering. Each category contains multiple ready-to-use board setups built around real business use cases. Take a moment to browse through the categories that match your needs. For example, if you're managing client work, you might explore the project management section. If you're tracking leads and deals, check out CRM and sales. The idea here is not just to pick something quickly, but to find a structure that already matches how your team works. When you find a template that looks interesting, click on it to preview it. This step is important. The preview allows you to see the full structure of the board before adding it to your workspace. You'll be able to view the different groups, the columns included, the status labels, timelines, people assignments, and even example items. This helps you understand how the workflow is organized and whether it fits your needs. If the template looks good, go ahead and click Use Template. Monday.com will then create a new board in your workspace based on that template. In just seconds, you'll have a fully structured board ready to go. Now comes the customization part, which is where you tailor the template to your specific workflow. Even though templates are powerful, you'll almost always want to adjust them slightly. Start by editing the groups. You can rename them to match your project phases, departments, or workflow stages. Next, review the columns. You can add new columns, remove ones you don't need, or change column types depending on what information you want to track. You should also review the status columns. Update the labels and colors so they reflect your actual process. For example, you might change generic statuses to something more specific, like waiting for client, in review, or ready to launch. Then go through the example items and either rename them or delete them entirely and add your real tasks or entries. If your plan includes automations, this is a great time to add them. You can set up automations like automatically moving items when a status changes, notifying team members when deadlines approach, or creating recurring tasks. Templates often include suggested automations, but you can always customize or expand them. And that's it. That's how you use templates in Monday.com to quickly build structured, professional boards without wasting time setting everything up manually. Templates give you a strong starting point, and with a few tweaks, you can turn them into a system that perfectly fits your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.